Now here you go sabi how to read and write. Today, make we learn the alphabet G to L. G for gun. Gun no dey decide. Na the hand wey hold am dey reason. G for gun. H for house. House wey no get peace no fit sweet to live in o. Remember say your peace of mind matter. H for house. I for ink. Ink wey touch paper fit last pass voice wey dey shout. Written words last longer than spoken words. Remember? I for ink. J for jug. Jug wey too full go spill water, but the one wey balance e go serve well well. J for jug. K is for key. 6 sparks no dey open door. Now who get the key dey open am? Education is key. K for key. L for light. Light wey shine for one person, e fit guide many feet. My prayer be say this video go be like light to your feet. L for light. Follow for more next episode. M to Q. I am Coach Tumininu. Bye.